Come here, Everett. Ready? Sit down. Ready? Here, look.
Did Dan go to bed? Oh, what do you mean?
We're not going to the breast.
Mom?
Do you like your peanut butter?
That you could squirt out and raise them? Powdered sugar and milk? Wow. I don't know if
Everett.
I really like it better now. Those are good. What are you doing? What else do you suggest? Well, we used to make it with Crisco, but I wouldn't do that. That's not, I mean, we know now that that's really unhealthy. When we were kids then, years ago, like all the frosting at the store. We're not really going to be eating it. But
Bye.
who gets to live in these jail?